Do you go to Pilates classes? Love Pilates, you love the technique, you love the whole vibe, exercises, you like the concept, all of the benefits that it's possibly brought to you over the years. Every time you go you think, oh, I would love to be a Pilates teacher. Well, now is a phenomenal time to do it. The health and wellness industry is just growing and growing and growing. Such a big demand for good qualified Pilates instructors all over the UK. And once you have the basic level 3, then you can either set your own business up, you can work for other people, you can work for studios, you can work for boutiques, you can do it as a hobby, you can work in corporate. There are so many exciting avenues that you could sashay down. So what does it entail? Well, we do 3 full contact days, but before you attend the contact days, you have access to everything online. So all of the lectures, all of the manuals, all of the information, everything that you need. So when you go to the contact day, you feel confident, you know what you're doing, you know the exercises, and we can really concentrate on helping you teach to your very best of your ability. So if this is something that you've been thinking about for ages and you thought, shan't I take the plunge? Now is the right time, just do it. Have a look at all the courses that we're offering this year. We have our full 2019 timetable out, coming to lots of different areas all over the UK. Read through all the information or send me a message, and if you want to schedule a quick call or a long call, I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions.